could you talk about that transition from pharma to medtech and maybe some of the challenges and then even if there were some surprises as well?
Yeah, happy to. In fact, the why that transition, I think that usually you may have people chasing positions that is perfectly fine, and I would not say that was not never my case either. But I was really always looking on chasing learning opportunities, things that I never done before. And certainly is an additional challenge because some employer will say, why I will give you this chance? You never did it. So, and how am I supposed to gain an experience and the knowledge if you don't give me the opportunity? But I felt that after almost 20 years in pharma, I've been done everything. I've been working on therapeutic area content. I've been working on people management. I've been working at global medical affairs. And then also I've been working more on regional, local managing teams across therapeutic areas. And I needed something new. And it was it really like almost by chance. I've been following Insight Tech when they got the first approval of focus ultrasound for essential tremor, and then they got the second side approval because on essential tremor you can treat one side at a time. So the first side was in 2016, and the second side was in November 2022. And was at that time, maybe December 2022, that I said, oh, wow, already 6 years in the first approval. So they may have a lot of real world data patients that have been actually treated with this technology. And I don't know if there are algorithms in the search or something, but it's crazy because in January, a headhunter reached out to me for this particular role. And yes, it implied a kind of selling to the CEO and the rest of the executives on bring this pharma guy without experience, but in medtech. But at the same time, and now that I'm in, I realize it's not that different. It's still a treatment solution that you offer for patients in need suffering from a disease. It could be different maybe in other areas. Maybe I'm thinking orthopedics, but I think that the way the healthcare have moved, meaning that it's not enough any longer to get a drug or a device approved.
Mm-hmm.
You need this drug or device or solution, let's call it, being reimbursed.
Right.
And in order to gain market access, you need to see that from a completely different, view, have a 360 view of what is the actual, life of that patient now with that treatment solution.